Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for you guys. I am still waiting on my regular Glam Bag to come. They did include one of my bonus items from my regular Glam Bag in my Glam Bag Plus. So let me go ahead and open this and we will get started. I did purchase quite a few add-ons. Not all my add-ons are in here. Some of them are in with my regular Glam bag. So as always, really well packed. And our theme for the month is called Dive In. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the add-ons that I picked up. The first add-on I picked up is the Pure Lisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. This was $12 to add on. This was a full size product. I did not look up the retail value of this item, but I will say that I've already tested this and oh my goodness. I'm like, oh, that tube, it's just so small for $12. It is a really small tube. 1.7 fluid ounce. This is super liquidy on the skin. I love the smell of this. I love how it absorbs into the skin. It was well worth the $12. I do wish that it came in a larger size. The next add-on I got was $3, and this is a full-size Mellow Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I was running low on my L'Oreal Linear Intense eyeliner. So to get this for $3, I figured, why not? Those were my only add-ons. Now, I did get a bonus because I signed up for the regular Glam Bag. They were doing a promotion where they emailed me and said that I would get the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette for free. So, of course, I'm going to pay $10 for a subscription bag to be able to get a $27 eyeshadow palette for free, especially when it is Huda Beauty. So that is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And like I said, I got this absolutely free. So I was really happy to get that. I definitely feel like Ipsy outdid BoxyCharm this month. Usually I'm all BoxyCharm. Ipsy is stepping it up. Another item I received in my box. This is the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. I believe this had a hefty retail price on it. I will say I am not fond of the fragrance. Gonna see if I can find it here in my Ipsy book here. Okay, so this had a $15 value. Pixi is sold at Target. What if I pick this up? No. I'll use it. I don't like the smell. Don't really like the feel of this product. Much rather use the Smashbox Water Primer or the MAC Fix Plus. Something along those lines. I even like the Caudalie Grape Water. Pixi? No. I did receive the Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Very unfamiliar with this brand. Kinda tired of getting mascaras in my box. So this was just the meh product for me. A product I do look forward to using though is the Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Eye Cream. I'm getting up there. I recently turned 31, so I'll be approaching the 40 mark in 9 years. So I've been trying to make habit out of using eye creams. This one appears to be a hefty size. It is half an ounce, but just because of the packaging, it looks really big. Right now, I'm using the Bliss Triple Oxygen Cream. Absolutely love that one for under my eyes. So I'm hoping that this is a comparable replacement for when I run out of my Bliss. Next, oh, this was like a hot item that I was so happy to receive in my box. This is the Touch and Soul, and it is the Waterful Glow Cream. I've heard some complaints. People say it's a little sticky on the skin, but I love the Belief Aqua Bomb, and I'm so hoping that this is comparable to it, because if it is, I'm going to fall in love. I'm so happy to get this in my box. So happy. I love skincare products. I love when skincare products come in my BoxyCharm or my Glam bag. Last but not least, I felt like I hit the lottery when I got this in my box. Some more Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty. I usually do not buy Huda Beauty unless I have a really good Sephora coupon. This is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlight Palette, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. There were 3 variations. They went ahead and they sent me, let's see, the Pink Sands edition. So this is the Pink Sands edition from Huda Beauty. I am on the very fair side of skin tones. Trying to pull this out of the plastic so I can show you guys. This is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I have date night with my husband on Saturday. We're going to Hyde Park. Gotta dress it up, do the makeup, do the hair. So I definitely look forward to using my Huda Beauty when doing my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.